Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jo and I've decided to make the famous NCW wallet by Emmaline Bags. This bag is designed by Janelle McKee. This is not a free pattern. You will have to pay a few dollars for it. I will place a link in the description where you can purchase the pattern. To purchase the pattern, you will have this download with the instructions showing you how to put your wallet together. And these are the pattern pieces. This bag is an awesome make and anyone can make it. The sky's the limit as to how much you can modify this pattern. Two examples of the wallet that I've made previously. This one I made a square flap and this is the inside. It also has a wristlet strap which I connect here. Okay, so you have a section where you can put your phone, a few banknotes, a credit card, any type of card you want to add, more space here. You can put your phone. You have a secure pocket here to zipper. You can also add two zippers and you can add a pocket here if you like. And you have more space for your cards here and a lot more space in the back. So this is an awesome wallet to make. You can use a magnetic snap closure or a twist lock. Oh, and this strap anchor has two sides, so you can also attach a shoulder strap or an adjustable strap. So this is what it looks like. Love this. And this is another one that I made. I did a little modification on the flap. I used the original shape of the flap pattern, which is this. And then I just did a kind of something in the top here to jazz it up a bit. This one does not have a strap anchor or anywhere to add a wristlet strap. If you want, you can add strap tabs and you can sew them in this area here, just between the flap and the body of the wallet. So I hope you will follow along, and my series is going to be a couple of parts. I want to dedicate a different tutorial for each section of the wallet to make it easier for you to follow along. I've made a couple of flap templates in different styles to show you how you can change up the flaps. So this is the original flap. And I use this to make a rectangle flap. All I did was measure up this with a piece of cardstock. And instead of shaping it this way, I went up, straight across, and made a rectangle shape for my flap. This one, I made a rounded flap. Same procedure. I just went around the top, rounded the top, and now I have a rounded flap. I also made templates for my card to make my card pockets, so it'll be easier for me when I'm putting it together. If you want to use contrasting fabrics for your the sides and the body of the bag, you can cut it away like this and use different color fabric to make your wallet. I've also made an applique to decorate my flap by using the border pattern piece, and I traced this out on a piece of paper and created a applique. Just showing you some options. I also have my strap anchor, as I showed you in this bag. This is the template to make this here. I also made a template for my wristlets, so it make it easier for me to cut out my fabric when I'm ready to sew my bag. So there's my strap template, and this is another way of making the card slots. So instead of making two separate pieces and then sewing them together, I made this long enough so that I can make use one piece of fabric and then cut it in half to make the two sections. So this is another option. You can make this template as well to make your bag. So I hope you will join me for all the different parts of this series to make this awesome wallet. This is just an intro to let you know what we'll be working on for the next couple of weeks. So I hope you stick with me, and thank you for watching. And I hope you continue to support my channel by liking my videos, sharing them, and subscribing so that you don't miss out on any of my follow-up videos. Bye-bye.